Hi all, my name is Chloe Gravy, and today I'm going to show you the share feature on Canva's website. So here I am, logged into my account, and within the document that I am going to share. And as you can see, up here next to the download button is the share button. And all you're going to do is click on this share button, and it prompts you to type in any emails that you want to share it with. As you can see, I've previously shared it with my mom, so I'm going to do that again. So just like that, and then I'm going to hit enter and drag my mouse down here to send invites. And there you can see my design was now successfully shared. This feature is really cool because it allows users to find more input on their documents before they pay to download them, and it's completely free to share it to however many people you would like. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.